how to link PlayStation account to Epic Games Fortnite. So here's how it works. You want to go to the Epic Games website, click on sign in. In here you can either use the PlayStation Network account which you are trying to use, or if you have a previous Fortnite account, then you just want to use that email to sign in. So I will sign in with my main account on Fortnite here, and I'm just gonna check this and sign in. It might ask you for a code on your email, so you might need to check your email. We're just gonna see what it asks us to do. It doesn't ask us to do anything, so afterwards you just click on your icon in the top right and then go into account. Once you select account, you will see linked accounts. Click on it, and then here you should see link an account and all of the available platforms which you can link. I've already linked my PlayStation, but basically you will select PlayStation here from this list, and once you click on it to open it up, it's going to load up a new page here asking you to authorize the PlayStation account. Afterwards you will just read through the agreements here, and it's going to ask you to sign into the PlayStation Network. You will sign into the PlayStation Network, and that's going to connect your PlayStation account with your previous Fortnite account on Epic Games. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.